Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3150 printer driver, download and install. How to connect. Okay, so first you have to open any browsers and Google search box to search like that. After that you can see first link epsons.co.in, this official website, so you can download driver software, scanner software and all. So first click on it. After that scroll down, select your operating system, Windows 10, Windows 10, 8 and all. Okay, so if you can see if Windows 11 not showing here, so just select Windows 10, it will support and work. Okay, so you can see this is the scanner driver, there's a printer guide and this is driver. So you can see this is software installations for it. So again you can see this is a printer driver, extract, and after that just click on it, scroll down, I agree, and you can see supported OS Windows 10 64-bit, Windows 11 64-bit, Windows 10 also, 8 also, 7 also. Okay, and this is size. You just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. After that just single click on it, then click for yes for administrators to install, and after that extracting data to your system. If you want to set default this printer, so check, and second one, if you want to update automatically of the software, so check, otherwise uncheck and check. Okay, then select the language if you want, and then again click to OK, then I agree, then OK. Now you can see the printer is installed, driver is installing on this. So on your printer, connect to USB to your connect your printer via USB to your system, and wait few seconds to install package installed. Please wait. Install the printer and might be serve a minute. After that you can see there are two options, first network and second USB. So two method to install, via network, via USB. So if you want first one, if you want to install the printer via network, so connect to LAN cable to printer. Okay, and after that click to search options and select this. If you don't know about your printer IP and all, you select this printer that current network segment, and after that click to OK, and then again click to OK. After that search. Okay, if you don't and then second method, then if you know about your printer the IP address, you can enter the IP address and subnet. After that same click to OK and OK. Okay, then how to install the USB. So connect the USB to your system via printer USB cable. After that click on it, then click to OK. After that you can see when you connect, automatically detect and you can install it. Okay, then next to install. After completed the all setup, then restart your system and then please check it. And if you are getting some issues, so please comment me, I will support you.